Okay. Boarri Craft Meats and Goods Hanging Tender. $13.99 a pound, 1.170 pounds, $16.37. There's the address if you're interested. So let's open it up. See what we got up in here. It's called a hanging tender. And there she is. Only one of these on each cow. Hanging tender. So let's simply take it off here and set it on our preparation board. Alright, here's how it looks. Got a little bit of, it's not really silver skin, just darker meat. Probably from the air. It might be silver skin. Yeah, it's a little bit. Guess I'll have to peel that off. We'll clean it up and then we'll season it and marinate it. Alright. We're going to marinate it with this Japanese barbecue sauce right here. I've been trying this out. It's really good. It's a tiny bit sweet, but not enough to mess the meat up, and it's not too salty. So we'll just put some on there as such and brush it in. You don't need that much. Put them pretty much where you like it, like that. Okay. Then we're going to use our OG, double OG, SPG, and we're going to liberally, I don't like to use that word, but we have to use it, liberally put some on. Okay, same thing for this side. Put your sauce. Don't worry if it goes down on that paper because that's all right. Just a piece of HEB butcher paper. And again, like we just did, put a bunch on there of the OG salt, pepper, garlic, or rub of your choice. I'm using this. All right. We're going to let this sit out and hang out for, I don't know, hour or two. Let it get up to room temp and then we'll commence to grilling it. Okay, I'm going to put this RFX probe in here, this wireless probe, and find a good place to put it. I think on this other side over here. This is kind of at an angle, so we'll put it over here on this side. Kind of push it in about like that. That way when we flip it, we won't hit the probe. This steak's not really flat. On that side, it's flat. This side, it's kind of curved, so we don't want this to hit the grate. Just got to be careful. Okay, here's how it looks. I went ahead and cut it in half, but I wanted to show you what the meat looks like in the middle. Like that. Even though the outside kind of looked a little darker. That's some good meat right there, folks. Okay. Just set them on here. Put them at an angle. As such. Remember, this one has kind of pointed on the bottom, so might cook a little weird, but who cares? We got probes in them. We're going to check the temperature. And we just set this right here. Got a holder right there for it. Okay. It's been a minute or so. Actually about 3. Just turn them 45 degrees. And then we'll get that. And then we'll do the flip. They're about 90 degrees right now, that's all. I just checked it on the thermal works right here. The RFX gateway. Ooh, it's hot. Better set it over yonder. It doesn't have to be right next to it. Actually, I'm going to put it in the shade over here. It's hot over here in South Texas, folks. Okay, I'm not just going to flip them like this. I'm going to actually pick them up like this and flip it like that. See? Ooh, that's looking good, folks. That right there is what I'm talking about. Okay, now we're going to go 45. Like that. Those hash marks. Man, you should smell it. I wish it had smell-o-vision. You'd really be digging it. I'm digging it. Okay, let's get these bad boys off there. They're cooked all the way. Look at that. Yeah, that's beautiful. Let me get you all a little peek. You see that right there? It's dripping blood. But it's perfect temperature. So we'll see it in the house. Okay? Alright, I've let them rest for a tad bit. Let's pull the probes out. So easy they pull out. Set one over there. Set one over there. This is how it looks. This one. I don't know what side. I guess we could start on the beautiful fat side right there. Right there, boy. You get out of the way. Man, it's good already. I could taste it. I said get out of the way. Over there. Let's cut a nice piece. You can cut across the grain like this, I believe. That's enough. Look at that beautiful piece of meat. Man, is that gorgeous or what? Dang. I don't know how it pulls apart, but it's not smoked, it's grilled. Here's his compadre. Damn. Alright, you know what we gotta do now. Okay. I'm gonna try to do this without smacking, so don't freak out if I do. Mmm. It literally just melts in your mouth. Mmm. Wow. That's insane. Give a shout out to Nathan and Joshua and all the crew up there at Boarri Butchery on Staples. He's the one who told me to get these every time. So I trust him. He's a good guy, you know. You need to go by there. They have food too, like a restaurant. So I advise everyone that watches this, if you come to Corpus, go check it out. Okay? And I didn't get sponsored. I bought this with my own dinero. Anyway. Man, that's killer. That's close to a ribeye. Maybe even better. I don't know what to say, man. Give it a shot. And also, hold on. Also, these two right here are very important. The OG AmericanPitmaster.us, and then this Yuza Citrus Japanese barbecue sauce. I got it at H-E-B. Boarri Craft has this also, but the combination of these two, wow. It's not too salty. It's perfect. I mean, you'll impress your friends and neighbors if you use those two on one of those. Anyway, I don't need to give away no more secrets. And I brought them up to about, one of them was 200, 120, and the skinny piece, and the other one was like 130 and 125, something like that. I got them off. I didn't want to overdo it. I'd rather have it undercooked than overcooked. All right, then. Thanks for watching. Um, Subscribe, like, comment. Tell all your friends and family that Sapo Barbecue's back in business. Backyard barbecue, not selling anything. All right, man. Enough of that. Adios, amigos.